this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I want to do a tutorial for this dress die set. For this die set, you will get this one and this one. So you have two dress patterns for your dress, and you have this basic piece, and these are the pieces to layer on top. So it will look like this. I have cut this out. Yeah, and then for the dress part, this idea was totally created by Gina at Scrapping Knowledge, and yeah, she first made this idea and I find that is super cute. So I made a picture of that, and then the lady who asked me to make the tutorial a request on how to make that dress, so I mainly featured that one in this video. So I cut 5 pieces of vellum paper in this pattern. Yeah, you can also cut it in this pattern, it's up to you. So I cut 5 pieces, and then I fold it in half, so it's like this. So I use this tape, so foam tape, so it will pop up. And then I add these dresses here. So you have 2 different ways to add your dresses. The first way is to layer them like this. See the picture, so it will look like this. So you need to stick tiny of this part on here, then your dress will look like this. I will see it look like this. So this is one way. Just stick these parts over here. And the other way is to layer them on top. Also, you need to only stick this line over here and then layer them together. Yeah, or stick this part here. And then for the top, you need to stick these 2 together. Then it will also look very puffy. I will show you the first way. So it will look like this. Very cute, right? And then you can also make an easel cut out of this one. And then your cut will look like this. And I think that is super cute. Yeah, so this is how to make this one. And also, if you want to make a box, you can add a box part here, and then put the dress like this, and then add a box inside between the 2 dresses to make the dress box. And for that one, I did a tutorial on the candy card last year of how to make a box between, and I will link the tutorial video in the description box below. If you are looking for that, you can check it. Yeah, so this is how to make this puffy dress, and it's not hard at all, right? Yeah. So, and thank you again for Gina who provided this idea. Yeah, I think that is very cute idea. And yeah, if you are still not clear or have any questions, please leave me comment. I will answer you as soon as possible. So thank you again for your watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.